Hello, Miss Dawson here. Today we are going to talk about standard algorithm. We finally made it to standard algorithm, 2-digit by 2-digit multiplying. All right, let's get started, not wasting any time. Let's start out with 27 times 15, okay? 27 times 15. You want to make sure you are really quick on your math facts because that will make this skill so much easier. Now, your first step is to multiply your ones place. So 5 times 7. 5 times 7. 5, 10, 15, 20, 35. Now, you put your 5 here and you carry up the 3. Why are we carrying the 3? Because it belongs in the tens place. It is 35, so it belongs over here in the tens place. Step 2 is to multiply 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3, 11, 12, 13. So it will look like this. Now, we are done with this 5, and we are going to do something called X and O. X and O. Xing out that 5 because we've already done it, and putting an O in the ones place because we are done with it and we're moving over to our tens place. So X and O, this is a 0 and it shows that we are no longer working in the ones place. We have completed this and we are now working in the tens place. So now we are going to do 1 times 7. Now in expanded algorithm, you would actually write out the whole value, but we're not doing expanded anymore. This is standard. This is where you're just, you have to know what's happening in your head. So I'm going to say 1 times 7. Is it really 1 times 7? No, it's 10 times 7. But I know that I'm going to be writing it all out and I'm going to get my answer at the end. So 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. Wait, why didn't I use that 3? Because it was in the first part. Add them up. 5. 405 is my answer. Okay? A lot of what's happening here has to go on up here. Now, if I were to do this in my box method, 27 times 15, it would be 27 times 15. Now, we're just doing this to check it. That's 200. That one's 70. That one's 100. And that one's 35. So we would do 200 plus 100 plus 70 plus 35. 5, 0, carry your 1, 405. Okay, if you do it this way, that's okay. It's going to take you a little bit longer. This is the ultimate goal. You want to be able to multiply like this. Okay, so let's try another one doing standard algorithm. Standard algorithm. I'm having a hard time saying it. So let's do 31 times 16. 31 times 16. You can try it with me. Step 1, 6 times 1. 6. Step 2, 6 times 3. 18. We're done with this, so now we need to X and O. X and O. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. We put them together. 496 is your answer. One more. 73 times 25. You can write it with me. 73. Write it in your little math journals or with your dry erase markers. 73 times 25. 5 times 3 is 15. I'm going to put my 5 and carry my 1. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 1 is 36. Now I'm done with my 5. I need to do that one thing that I said. X and O. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 7 is 14. Put, them together. 1,825. Now this is a lot quicker than having to draw out the window method or expanded. Once you get those steps down, then you should be good to go. So you solve your ones, then you X and O, then you solve for your tens, then you put them together. Okay? Have a good day. I know you're going to be great at standard algorithm. Just keep practicing.